Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. So first up here, the first step that we can do to basically fix the issue is by updating your Shopee app. So go to your Play Store, Google Play Store if you're using Android device, and then go to App Store if you are using iOS device. And then from here, you just need to search for the Shopee app. And then if an update button shows up here, so all you need to do is just tap on the update button. And once the app is updated, you will now go to open the application and see if it fixed the problem. But if the problem persists, we now go to the second step. The second step is by restarting your phone. So basically, you can reboot your phone, and once done, once you reopen your mobile phone, then go to your phone settings right over here, and then you should have to go to the apps. Simply go to manage apps or apps management, right? From here, and then you just have to wait for a few seconds. And as the app shows up here, go to the search box at the top and search for Shopee. Then tap on Shopee and then tap on this clear data right here at the bottom right hand corner, and make sure to clear cache and clear all data. Once done, go back to your home screen and reopen your Shopee application. Now, once you open your Shopee app, and if the problem persists, the third step that we can do is by editing your profile. So go to your profile and edit your name, or if your address is in long form, you just need to add it to short form, and basically it will fix the issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.